So I'm coming to you having lived through it. You know, there was a period in my life where I had very debilitating, consuming back pain. And it went on for a long time, for years. Tried many different things, onward, blah, 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 blah. Iyengar yoga has been a huge part of me regaining my independence. And so I'm really passionate about the practice and also about sharing, what I've learned over the years with other people who may struggle with back pain. I find that, or what I found, is that what was so amazing about the practice is not only, the physical benefits, which happen, which are real, but the sense of empowerment that comes when you have at your disposal tools to make yourself better. Right? And that's really what I love about Iyengar yoga. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but there are tools, a framework with different tools that you can kind of draw from as you get to know yourself, your body, your spine, and put that together. It's really something special. So if you're interested, again, it's 5 weeks long. There'll be a live stream every Wednesday morning, and then you'll also have access to the replays. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm more than happy to connect with you, and I would love to see you in class.